Are there any situations in which you would reach for a normal drill over an impact?
If one's handier than the other, yeah. One's closer, the impact's across the room, the path of least resistance, I guess. And just like that.
Show us the next one. So you're lining it up into the hole, and then show us the power drill action.
Oh, I gotta change bits. And of course, then that's the big difference, right, too. This speeds, the bits clip onto this one really easy. The batteries, depends on how often